An entry door does more than welcome guests. It plays a key role in maintaining indoor comfort and controlling how air moves in and out of the home. When a door lacks proper energy-efficient features, it can become a major source of drafts and temperature imbalance. For homeowners in Covington, understanding what makes an entry door energy efficient helps ensure better comfort, long-term performance, and everyday livability. Why entry door efficiency matters. Entry doors are used frequently and exposed directly to outdoor conditions. Over time, older doors may warp, lose their seal, or allow air leaks around the frame. In Covington homes, these issues often show up as uncomfortable drafts near entryways or rooms that never feel quite right. Energy-efficient entry doors are designed to reduce these problems by creating a stronger barrier between indoors and outdoors. Tight sealing around the door frame. One of the most important energy-efficient features of an entry door is a tight seal. Even small gaps around the door can allow air to pass through. Energy-efficient doors are designed to close snugly against the frame, limiting unwanted airflow. For Covington homeowners, this means fewer drafts and more consistent indoor temperatures near entryways. Insulated door cores. For better performance. The core of an entry door plays a big role in energy efficiency. Insulated cores help slow the movement of heat through the door itself. In Covington homes, doors with insulated interiors help keep indoor air stable. Rooms near the entry door feel more comfortable, and temperature swings are reduced throughout the day. Durable materials that maintain their shape. Doors that warp or shift over time lose their ability to seal properly. Energy-efficient entry doors are built with materials designed to hold their shape under changing conditions. Covington homeowners benefit from doors that remain aligned and functional year after year. A stable door maintains its seal, which helps preserve comfort over the long term. Quality weather stripping that blocks drafts. Weather stripping is a small feature that makes a big difference. Energy-efficient doors include well-fitted weather stripping around the edges to block air leaks. In Covington homes, effective weather stripping helps prevent unwanted airflow without affecting how easily the door opens and closes. This added protection supports a more comfortable interior environment. Secure thresholds that prevent air loss. The area at the bottom of the door is a common source of air leaks. Energy-efficient entry doors include well-designed thresholds that close this gap. For Covington homeowners, a properly fitted threshold helps stop drafts at floor level, making entryways feel warmer and more comfortable. Improved fit through professional installation. Even the most energy-efficient door won't perform well if it isn't installed correctly. Proper installation ensures the door fits squarely in the opening and seals evenly on all sides. Covington homeowners benefit most when energy-efficient doors are installed with precision. A proper fit enhances all the door's energy-saving features. Supporting overall indoor comfort. Energy-efficient entry doors help maintain consistent indoor conditions by reducing unwanted air movement. This supports a calmer, more comfortable home environment. In Covington homes, improved door performance often leads to better comfort not just near the entryway, but throughout the entire house. Long-term benefits beyond comfort. Energy-efficient entry doors offer lasting value. Their durable construction and effective sealing reduce the need for frequent adjustments or repairs. Covington homeowners appreciate doors that continue to perform reliably while enhancing everyday living. Making an informed door upgrade. Knowing what features to look for makes upgrading an entry door easier and more rewarding. Energy-efficient doors combine strong sealing, insulation, and durable design to improve comfort. For homeowners in Covington, choosing an entry door with the right energy-efficient features is a smart investment, one that supports indoor comfort, reduces drafts, and enhances daily life for years to come.